Hey restaurant owners, Greg Provence here with GP Hospitality Partners, and today on 2-Minute Mastery we are talking about eliminating waste to increase your profitability. So don't go away, 2-Minute Mastery starts now. Okay guys, so we know that there are a lot of steps that need to occur from the time product enters our restaurant till the time it gets to our guest plate. So we want to minimize the amount of waste that occurs through all of those steps so that it translates into better profitability for our restaurant. Let's go. Okay, so one thing we want to do is make sure that we check the product when it comes in. You know, as product enters our building, it's easy just to throw it in, put it into the shelf and forget about it. But let's check everything as the vendors are delivering so that we can identify anything that might need to be credited back or is just not up to par before it even gets to the prep process. Next, we want to train our teams on proper prepping techniques. Let's say a team member is slicing a tomato with a dull knife or cutting inconsistent slices. That's going to put a lot of product into the trash and throw our recipes off. So we want to make sure that we're training properly and having our teams follow those recipe guides to get a consistent product and eliminate waste at that stage. Next up is practicing proper dating and rotation. When a new product gets placed on top of an old product, it produces a health hazard and it wastes food. So we want to keep our guests safe, and we also want to eliminate anything from going into the trash unnecessarily. So make sure that you're properly rotating and dating everything. Okay, another way to eliminate waste is to cross-utilize product. Slimming down our inventory using less items overall will save waste, but also using similar items in other dishes will get us there. So I always try to look at the menu as a whole and see how many ingredients I'm using across the board and just try to slim down that inventory a bit, and that eliminates opportunity for waste. Something I've started to do in all of my restaurants now is to offer items like straws and napkins on request. When guests are just grabbing handfuls of items like this, or we're just popping straws into every single drink indiscriminately, we're causing a lot of waste. Not to mention we're harming the environment. So whatever you can do to try to minimize the outflow of these little items, the better. Okay, so there you have it, guys. I hope these tips were useful to you and that they're going to translate into instant profitability for your restaurant. And from all of us at GP Hospitality Partners, as always, we're wishing your greatest restaurant success.